And it's now time for the business day. Finance Minister Favour Williams is dismissing suggestions that the Jamaica Digital Exchange JamDex project is dead. She was responding to questions at Parliament's Standing Finance Committee. More in this report.
The Bank of Jamaica launched the central bank digital currency wallet, Jamaica Digital Exchange, JamDex, in 2022. This was viewed as a major step towards the country transitioning from a cash-based economy to a digital one. But not much has happened since the BOJ minted its first $230 million worth of digital currency. To date, the National Commercial Bank, NCB, is the only financial institution which offers a JamDex wallet, and the use of the digital currency has been low.
This is the last time I heard the governor speak on this. Onboarding the businesses was going a little bit slower than anticipated, but I know that they have identified some of the issues, and they have been working and will continue to work on ensuring that there is smooth onboarding of businesses, because that's a key component.
However, opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson raised questions about the future of JamDex.
The main player who invested a lot seems to have almost totally retreated from that investment, and I certainly don't know in the public domain of another institution that plans to make the investment necessary to take it on. So, when you say slower than anticipated, I don't know if this is happening at all. I must tell you the truth. I participated in pilots, and I think some of us in this house did, and tried to get people on board, but it was difficult. But I certainly don't see any activity right now being done by any player in the sector to try and bring people on board. So I don't know who is pursuing it. It sounds dead to me, quite frankly.
The finance minister is, however, insisting that JamDex is not dead. She provided further details on some of the main challenges.
My understanding is that businesses would prefer for JamDex to be used to be able to be facilitated by their existing point of sale machines. So there is some work that would need to be done to have that kind of integration into the one point of sale machine that businesses use. They don't want to use two different machines. So that's where the work is being done right now, to get that kind of seamless integration of JamDex into point of sales machines.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 471 points, while the junior market index declined by 28 points. There were only 32 winners, including Cygnus Credit Investments, 8% preference shares, Epley 7.75%, Carbon Flavors and Fragrances, General Accident, and Jamaica Producers Group. The 54 losers were led by Kingston Wharves, Carbon Cream, The Lab, Sterling Investments US Dollar Shares, and Epley Carbon Property Fund SCC. 27 stocks traded firm. In foreign currency trading today, it ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $157.77. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.15. The pound is going for $202.29, while the euro is selling for an average $169.80. And that's it for the business day. International stories are next.